everybody. It is the end of September and it's time for me to share with you some of my favorite thrift store finds this month. I did go about once a week this month, but didn't seem to find a whole lot, but I do love what I found and can't wait to share it with you. The first thing I really heard angels sing is another one of those things that I walked up on and could not believe it was $3.99. If you're into farmhouse decor, you know this is kind of a staple in your kitchen, and it's a full-size kitchen scale and it works beautifully. I have a smaller one, but this is the full size, and this is at least $25 at Bed Bath & Beyond and places like that, and for $3.99 it had to come home with me. A few little seasonal things. I picked up a brand new roll of Walmart Christmas wrap. It was $1.47 originally, got it for 99 cents, and it's just a shiplap and it says Merry Christmas on it. It's great for men's Christmas gifts, or if I do decide to do like a woodland Christmas theme. Just thought it was so pretty with the wood background. Some cute little turkey napkins for 59 cents. Can't go wrong with that. And a sack of 20 Christmas bags. These are kind of like the lunch sack sizes, and they're great if you just have like little stocking stuffer gifts that you want to wrap. I always try to keep those in my gift wrap stash. This is another thing I just had to have. This is a large wooden, I guess they're called corbels. I guess I'm saying that right. But these are very popular nowadays, and I got this for $1.99. If I were to go to Home Depot or Lowe's and pick up that large one, it would be at least $10. They are not cheap. As you paint it, distress it, and you just sit it on a shelf somewhere. It's just kind of a little accent piece, and I have several around the house. I picked up this little metal house. It's actually a Dollar General decor, like $3, but you can take, anytime you find something like this, you can take fingernail polish remover and take those words off. Maybe do a little upcycle on this, so stay tuned to that, and you may be seeing that little metal house again. I picked up a couple bags of these little drapery rings. Here's what they look like. These have the little square pointy things on there, but I checked to see if I could pull that off, and I could. But this is what they actually look like. This is a smaller version of it, but this is what people hang up those drop cloth curtains with. Wondering how they hang those up, this is what they use. And these are normally about $4 a bag, and I got these for $1.99, so I actually got them half price. I may find something to do with these. This was a whole bag for 99 cents of fall cookie cutters, leaves and acorns. I just thought they were so cute. For 99 cents, I couldn't pass it up. I make cookies with them or craft with them or do something. Now, if I do decide to do a woodland themed Christmas tree, these would be so cute to make ornaments out of. So we'll see. Hadn't decided what I'm going to do yet. This is a brand new little container of triple thick. If you're a crafter, you may know what this is. It is just a glossy glaze that you put on things, like people that glitter wine glass stems. This is what you put on there to seal it. And this is some great stuff, and it's about $4 or $5 a little container at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. You can get it on sale, but you can't get it for 99 cents. So this is great little buy. Picked up another one of these little farmhouse jars for 99 cents. If you go to an antique store, these are $5, $6 at least. So for 99 cents, these are cute where you can put these in any room. Just like that wood thing. You can sit it on shelves, and it just adds to your farmhouse decor. Okay, got a phone call, had to come back. All right, and I picked up this brand new pair of cream trouser socks. They've never been put on. And this little pack of little girls' tights. So I'm going to save this for a project in a few weeks. I'm going to try it out and see if it works. So stay tuned for that. I picked up this little 99-cent wooden tray. These are just great to paint and distress or leave as is. You can put little rabbits and Easter eggs and just make a little vignette anywhere in the house. At Christmas time, you can put a few little Christmas balls on it, put a candle on there, and it just really adds to whatever you've got sitting around on your table. Just keep in mind when you're looking for like little trays like that. Found this beautiful summer flag, but I actually bought this at an estate sale. This was originally $7 at Big Lots, and I got it for half of $3, so I paid $1.50 for it, but I can't wait to use this. This is an embroidered parrot flag. It'll be great out by the pool. And last but not least, just a gallon bag of little floral flowers. As much as I craft, I'll find sometime, somewhere, I'll need some little flowers like this. So friends, those are my little goodies. Not a whole lot, but it sure was fun looking for things. Appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.